To edit a template in Canva, you just need to open up your template first. So I'm just going to open up a template here. So let's say I'm going to open this, click on customize. Okay, now let's say this is our template, right? So if you want to edit this, you can begin by clicking on anything. So any element here that you can edit, you can just hover mouse over it just to see if you can edit it. If it turns into like a violet here on the borders, that means it is editable. So just click on it. So let's say I'm going to change the text here, so you can see. Now if you want to change the font here, you can do that as well. And as you can see, now if you want to change this image here as well, just click on delete image, and then just add an image here, a different one, just add it here, and now here. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to edit a template. So just play around with this. You can edit the text here. You can also edit the effects if you want to animate the text here as well. The images, you can do that. Now if you want to change the background color here as well, you can just click on the background here, change the color, and there you go. And that's about it.